Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Ram 1500 TRX. This truck comes in a white exterior with a black interior with red accents throughout. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Plenty of storage space. Harman Kardon sound system here. Rear seats. Power folding and unfolding step there. Memory seats. Driver door controls. Driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 11,764 with a push button ignition. We have our climate controls, radio, navigation system, backup camera, shifter, center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.